स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम सीखने वाले हैं ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री के बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स, कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक्स लाइक एसिड्स, न्यूट्रलाइजेशन और सॉल्ट मेकिंग प्रोसेस, bases, indicators the mood meter, pH scale, and free radicals the troublemakers. Now students, have you ever thought, how is chemistry applied in our kitchen? Or how is chemistry constantly happening around us while we cook? And I think your answer is absolutely no. In further videos, we will talk about these subtopics in detail and also give their practical examples. Acids. Students, have you ever squeezed a lemon and felt like it's judging you? Well, that's because it's hiding a weak acid, citric acid. But the real question is, what actually is an acid? According to the Bronsted-Lowry concept, acids are basically those chemical substances that love to donate a proton H. Yes, acids are generous, but in a dangerous way. Example number 1, hydrochloric acid HCl. HCl is a strong acid. It happily donates its proton H to water or any base it meets. Think of it as that friend who gives away things too quickly, strong decisions, strong acid. Example number 2, sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid also donates a proton to water. And trust me, it doesn't joke around, it's super reactive and extremely strong. Kind of like the "don't mess with me" character in chemistry. Remember acid last word as D, that simply means donate. It is a short kind of trick. Base. A base is just like that reliable friend who always accepts something from you. Whether it's advice, money, or in chemistry, a proton H. So in simple words, a base is a substance that accepts a proton and usually has a pH higher than 7. Anything above 7 is basically in the "I'm chill, not acidic" category. Practical examples. Example number 1, soap. Every time you wash your hands, you're literally using a base. That's why soap feels slippery, because bases love being extra smooth. Example number 2, sodium hydroxide NaOH. NaOH is a strong base. It's used in drain cleaners. So yes, when your kitchen sink is clogged, guess who becomes the superhero? A base. Understanding with a simple reaction. Let's bring an acid and a base face to face. Acid, hydrochloric acid HCl. Base, sodium hydroxide NaOH. When they react, they stop fighting and form salt chuma water. This peacemaking process is called neutralization. It's like when two angry people finally talk things out and become calm again. Chemistry version of emotional healing. And we'll dive deeper into this neutralization magic in the next slide. And if you really want to know how angry or calm a substance is, say hello to the pH scale. The pH scale is basically the mood meter of any solution. It tells us whether the solution is feeling angry and acidic, relaxed and basic, or neutral, just like a person who refuses to argue with anyone. So, the definition is, the pH scale is a scale that measures how acidic or how basic a solution is. Now with the help of chart you will be a detective and detect for all these 3 examples that which one is acidic, basic or neutral. Example number 1, water. Example number 2 is lemon, and example no third is soap. You will use the pH chart and figure. Let's see who has real chemistry instincts and who just pretends to study during class. Students, detect the right answers and then drop your guess in the comment section. And don't worry, wrong answers won't lower your pH, just raise your confidence. Neutralization, the peace treaty. Students, have you ever wondered how salt is formed? Well, imagine two friends starting an argument, but in the end, they make up and become friends again. That's exactly what happens in chemistry. So, the definition is, neutralization is a chemical reaction where an acid and a base react to form salt and water. Example, acid chuma base peace treaty, salt chuma water. It's like the acid and base stop fighting, shake hands, and agree to coexist peacefully, leaving behind salt and water as their friend. Indicators, the mood detectors. Indicators are just like that one friend who can instantly sense your mood and change theirs accordingly. In chemistry, they do the same, they detect the mood of a solution. Definition. An indicator is a substance that undergoes a physical change, most commonly a color change, to signal a chemical change or the presence of a specific compound. Example, litmus paper. If the solution is acidic, the litmus paper turns red. Red equal to aggressive, fiery mood, just like acids. If the solution is basic, the litmus paper turns blue. Blue equal to calm, cool, collected, just like bases. Free radicals chaos are troublemakers. Free radicals are just like lonely single people who are looking for a partner. In the process, they often cause chaos, kind of like a person before marriage, highly unstable. But once they find their pair, they become stable and peaceful, just like a happily married couple. Definition: free radicals are unstable molecules with an unpaired electron, making them highly reactive and unstable. Example in real life. Even in your body, free radicals exist and can cause aging, skin damage. Don't worry, my team EDU Park will make a separate video on free radicals in our body and in different products so you can see exactly how they cause trouble.